We'll guide you through Minecraft launcher not downloading and not installing from Microsoft Store app. To fix this, just make sure if it is not already downloaded from any sources like a browser. So just go to the window button and type here Minecraft. If you see this type Minecraft app, just install it from here and again go to the Microsoft Store app and click on install. Okay. If your problem still not resolved, just do the second method. Click on start button and just find Microsoft Store app and right click here. Click on app settings. Just click on terminate app. Okay. Now click on reset and wait for it. After this, click on repair. And now go back and try download it again. If it is still not installing or downloading, just do this last step. Go to time and language and click on date and time. Just set time zone automatically turned on and set time automatically turned on. This is very important thing. After turning this on, just restart your computer or laptop. After restarting, you can download Microsoft Launcher from Microsoft Store.